Today, we're gonna tackle Salisbury steaks, and they come together very quickly with some ground beef and other ingredients, and then we're going to cook them like we would a hamburger patty, dice up some mushrooms, some onions, and add some gravy mixture to it, and it makes a quick, easy dinner. It's one of those dinners that's nice when you're not sure when somebody's gonna be home, because you can just let it sit and simmer and it will absorb more of that gravy mixture and just intensify the flavor. The full recipe will be at the end of the video. So the mixture for the meat is going to be ground beef, saltine crackers, and you're just gonna crush them up. Now everything can go in at once, and if you know me, I like to mix stuff with my hands, so we've already washed our hands and make sure everything's clean. Jewelry's off so it doesn't get stuck in there. Crush up the saltine crackers, and we're gonna just add that right on top. Dried onions, a little bit of milk, some horseradish sauce. Now don't be shy when you add that. It tastes so good, it doesn't overpower the dish. 1 egg white, and some salt and pepper. And we're just going to mix all that together so it's all incorporated. So I'm just gonna roll these out and get them ready. Now that the pan is nice and hot, I'm gonna press these balls down, and I'm gonna keep the patty a little bit thicker, and I'm gonna fry them up just like a hamburger would. We're gonna let the Salisbury steak patties cook until they're nice and brown on one side, flip them, finish them off, and then put them on a plate to rest. We're gonna finish off the rest of the patties that didn't fit. You don't wanna overcrowd the pan. You want everything to kind of have its own space to cook. We're gonna chop the onion into larger pieces so that we get all that good flavor in there. You're gonna cut the mushrooms into a thicker slice. I'm using a baby portobello mushroom. A white cap mushroom would also work. You don't have to add any more oil to the recipe. You can just use the drippings from the hamburger. And so I'm gonna add in my chopped up mushrooms and onions. Now that I've added in my mushrooms and onions into the drippings of the patties that we made, you can see they're starting to cook and get just slightly golden brown. We're gonna cook them for just a little bit longer. Now that the mushrooms and onions have gotten to that nice golden brown, I'm going to turn this way down to low. I'm gonna add my patties back into it, and you can place them right on top. And then I'm adding in gravy. So I'm gonna just pour that gravy all on top. Oh, can you hear that? And you can see how it's just resting in there. It's gonna produce all that good flavor. The patties are gonna take in more of the mushrooms and onions and the gravy flavor. I'm gonna cover it, and I'm gonna let it sit and simmer in the gravy sauce for about 15-20 minutes. Now that your Salisbury steaks are all done, you can either serve them straight out of the skillet that you cooked them in, or you can take some mashed potatoes or some egg noodles and put one of them right on top, and then add some of that onions and mushrooms. Doesn't that look delicious? You can see how tender that is, and with every bite you can have mushrooms and onions in it. You can find this recipe and many more at our beatyourneighbor.com website. Hope you enjoy. Happy cooking.